Hey everyone, today I'm checking out the Hiseeu Wireless Solar Security Camera. I picked it up in a 2-pack because I wanted something wire-free, smart, and easy to set up. Let's start with the unboxing. First up, the box. I love the design. It's basically a semi-manual wrapped all the way around. Now let's open up and see what's inside. Whoa, there's a lot here. Everything's packed neatly with foam. Inside, we've got a manual, and then everything else, you guessed it, comes in twos. We've got two solar panels, two solar panel mounts, two camera mounts, two USB Type-C cables, two baggies of screws and wall plugs, and of course, two camera units themselves. Now, let's look at everything individually. The manual. Now, this is a clean, clear, and detailed manual with actual real life pictures, which I love. Here we have the two baggies of screws and wall plugs. We've got two USB cables. These are Type-C cables, by the way, with plenty of length. You've got the two camera mounts, two solar panel mounts, which are adjustable for the perfect sun angle, and two solar panels, each in a protective cover, looking very high quality. These also come with a decently long cable. And the cameras. They look so sleek and all business. They can move left, right, up and down, full PTZ control through the app, and each camera also comes with dual antennas for strong Wi-Fi. On the bottom, you've got the micro SD card slot and reset button. I'm inserting the micro SD card while I'm here. You should note that it does not come with an SD card. You'll have to source one yourself because this is essential if you don't want to pay monthly fees. You also got the power port and the on and off switch that you can find at the base. I'm going to turn it on now. Before using, I downloaded the app and followed the quick pairing steps. The setup was really simple and the interface feels very user-friendly. From the app, you can pan, tilt, zoom, talk through the camera, and toggle alarms. Everything is right there. Here's a tour of the app and all its settings. Feel free to pause this video at any point in time if anything catches your eye. Now for the installation. For demonstration, I mounted it on this piece of wood as my wall, and installation is very straightforward. I opted to use these drywall screws instead of the included screws, making sure that all of the screws are screwed in properly and are flat because the camera slides into place just like so. You lock it in place with the special screw included in the baggie on top here. Now for the solar panel. You screw in the base mount. You attach the panel, which also screws in, after which you can adjust the angle towards the sun and tighten the base plate to lock it in place. Finally, plug in the solar panel's USB Type-C cable to the camera. The power port has a double tab waterproof design, so once it's closed, it's safe from the rain. Any extra wire can be secured along the wall for a clean setup. And the most exciting part, here's some test footage. Now here's some daytime test footage. As you can see, you can move the camera from left to right and up and down. It looks very good and impressive, and the overall responsiveness is very great. For night mode, you have the option of using the black and white night vision, or you can turn on the lights that are built in and you can have colored night vision. Here you can decide on your preference for night mode, if you want to go with light for color or black and white. Both look really clear and I was impressed by the detail even in the low light. Now overall, this wireless solar security camera is packed with features, really smart and surprisingly easy to set up. Between the solar charging, the HD video, motion tracking, app controls, it's definitely a solid choice if you want a simple but powerful outdoor security setup. I would highly recommend this camera. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.